Hello. Before we get started, we need to talk for a minute about safety. I'm going to say some obvious things, like hot glue guns are hot. That's how they work, right? They melt the solid plastic glue stick, it gets all liquidy, and then it hardens again as it cools. But since we're using hot glue guns, we have to be careful. So, where are the hot places on a glue gun? Yeah, the metal nozzle is the heater. It gets really hot. Again, stating the obvious, we don't want to touch that. Pain hurts. What else is hot? The glue. We don't want to touch that either until it cools off. We don't want a hand where the hot glue is or where it could drip. If there are times we need to press on something that has hot glue on it, we use a pencil or a spoon or something, but not your finger. What do we do if we accidentally get burned? Hold the burned area under cold water. Okay, we got it. We're ready. Let's go make a rocket.